All are very much aware about G.S. Gurye. We have already learnt a lot about him in class 11th. He is the person behind the theory of caste system and the first sociologist of India. So G.S. Gurye says that caste is the creation of Brahmins. It is the Brahmins who have created the system of caste. In the past, caste system was not so rigid and such a stern system as it is now. He says that Brahmins created separate rituals and ceremonial purity for different ranks and classes. And because of this particular system of caste came into being as it is being observed today. Function and the function alone is responsible for the origin of caste structure in India. The functions that were performed by different classes became the main basis of the caste structure in India. The factors that led for the origin of caste system are: number one, hereditary occupation. It means the occupation of the father will be performed by his son. Second, the desire of the Brahmins to keep themselves to control and pursue. The Brahmins, the topmost strata of the social stratification of which caste is a part, they wanted themselves to be at the top. Third, the lack of unitary political control of the state. There was no control of the state, no political control of the state to overthrow this particular system or to amend it in accordance to the changes of the time. Clashes of races, color, prejudice and conquest. Races, color, prejudice और conquest, इन सब के से भी जुड़ा हुआ है हमारा caste system. Ideas of exclusive family, ancestor worship and the sacramental level. The ideas of exclusive family, where a person protects his own family. The worship of the ancestors, पूर्वजों की worship करना, and the sacramental levels, they are also responsible for the origin of the caste system. Belief in reincarnation and the doctrine of karma. कर्म प्रधान है और जो जैसे कर्म करेगा उस अपने कर्मों के अनुसार उसके सद्गति होगी या अपने कर्मों के अनुसार वो अगले जन्म में उनको भोगेगा. This concept. The ruler's readiness to recognize the varying customs of different groups as valid and the geographical isolation. Deliberate economic and administrative policies followed by various conquerors. They all became the main factors behind the origin of the caste system which we are seeing today. Previously, as I told you yesterday, it was just the one system. Now, something more about the one system. The term one literally means color. Originally, it has been used to refer to the distinction between Aryan, Gaura, and Dasa, Shyam. So Originally, there were this one system. It was the distinction between the Gora and the Kala. Gora means fair color persons. Kala means your black persons. So the Gora color was for the Aryans, and the Shyam color or the black color was for the Dasas. The term Varn is evolved from the Sanskrit root Uri, meaning choice. Varn has its origin from a Sanskrit word Uri, which means choice. In this sense, Varn means anything being chosen by an individual according to his choice. So, as Varn has originated from the Sanskrit root Uri, and which means choice, therefore Varn means anything that an individual person has chosen. In this sense, Varn means anything chosen by an individual according to his choice. Varn system is as old as the arrival of the Arya culture. Arya, in actual, this Varn system is an introduction by the Aryans, has been introduced by the Aryans. The original story of Varn is noted in the earliest scriptures, the Rig Veda. It states that the four Varna came into being from the body of the primeval man. वही ब्रह्मा जी से उत्पन्न हुए ये चारों वर्ण. From his mouth came the Brahmins who became priests and scholars. मुंह से ब्राह्मण आए. From his arms came the Kshatriyas, warriors and rulers. भुजाओं से क्षत्रिय, warriors and rulers. From his thighs came the Vaishya tradesmen, and from thighs came the your tradesmen, your businessmen, commerce को deal करने वाले. And from his feet rose the Shudras, cultivators, or those persons who were engaged in all other works and were serving the upper three Varnas. Traditionally, those in the Brahmin category are supposed to manage the culture through their control of religion. So the Brahmins, they were given the responsibility of maintaining the culture by taking the help of the religion. हर चीज को रिलीजन से जोड़ करके जितना ज्यादा आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं उतना शायद आप किसी और चीज को, बिकॉज रिलीजन इज अ blind faith and everyone is ready to do what he can in terms of religion. Brahmins, Kshatriyas manage the society through their control by armed might. Kshatriyas, who are warriors, who are being to be rulers, landlords, cultivators, they controlled the society by their armed might. Vash managed the distributive economy through their control of trade and to produce the economic articles sufficient for the whole society. And the Vash, they controlled the trade. Manusmriti also explained similar origin of Varna. The Lord Manu, he is said to be the ancestors of Ram. So he also gave certain theories on one system. I said what we discussed above, that one was the classification on the basis of division on the basis of labor. That was the classification that Manu introduced in the Indian society. The first three varna are called Dvijas or twice born. First three, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishya, they are called as Dvijas, or they will have a rebirth, as only they are entitled to don the sacred thread and the ceremony of Upanayan, because they were the only persons on whom the ceremony of Upanayan was performed, and they wore the sacred thread, which is interpreted as second birth, और उसे ही interpret किया जाता है second birth के नाम से. Only members of the first and first three varna are entitled to the performance of only these three varnas. The upper three varnas were entitled of these ceremonies. Of Vedic rituals, as which hymn from one or other of the Vedas are chanted, and they were the only varnas, only category of persons who were given the permission to recite the Vedas, to chant the Vedas. Among the twice born varna, the Brahmins are the most particular about the performance of these rites. And among them, the Brahmins were given more importance to perform these rites.